Okay, we're here sa aming Airbnb. Open ko lang. So there guys, ayan, kita nyo, ito yung facade. May backyard sila dyan. Tapos may big parking also na can fit 2 to 3 cars. So ayan na si Jello. Atras na siya. Tapos later, I'll show you around the house. So there guys, the owner will be giving you 2 lock codes. So 1 for the gate and 1 for the main door. So kunin ko lang. Pasok tayo. No shoes daw inside, so let's leave our shoes here. So yan guys, welcome! Hey guys! Joyce Yabot Bertolome here! So for today, I'll be sharing with you our Airbnb para sa overnight stay namin here in La Union. So, I booked a hotel through their website. I saw this in Instagram, their Airbnb, pero nag-book ako directly sa website nila kasi may 10% off. So, tara! I'll show you around. So when you enter the house, guys, you have here their welcome, their home slippers you can use, and then they have a full-length mirror. Very aesthetic siya. The area pala is beside the main road, so medyo rinig yung mga cars. So let's see later kung may comfortable pa tayo with the sound. But ayan, check natin. Here muna, let's go to their living area. They have here a very aesthetic house, a very minimalist Japandi or a Japan Muji home. Yun yung feels niya guys. So you have here their sofa. Ganda ha. And I saw also on their website na sila yata nag-curate ng mga interior dito, ng mga furniture. So ayan. Tapos they have here naman a round table where you can dine. Tapos meron silang they have 6 stools, 6 chairs, pwede nyo gamitin. Tapos ang cute nito guys, meron silang pa-lounge. Ayan cute na, parang meron kayo na nook na pwede mag-read, pwede mag-chill. Tapos ang ganda, kita mo rin. Ayun, medyo rinig mo lang yung ingay, pero yun. You have here naman ng view ng kanilang backyard. So here naman, they also have electric fans around. Hindi yata aircon to, no? Baka yung room sila aircon. Tapos you have here a ref na ang laman ay they have naman water na complimentary. So, hanapin ko lang yung ilaw guys. Okay, they have here naman a very spacious kitchen as you can see. Very minimalist din yung style nila. More on the white side. Very pretty on the eye sa akin. So, yan. You have here naman plates. You have here naman hand soap, dishwashing. And multi-purpose spray for cleaning. Tapos meron din naman kettle if you wanna get coffee in the morning. So, yan. Pero tayo, hindi naman tayo magluluto, guys. So, don't worry. Siguro we'll be using lang the plates here kasi we'll be eating around and checking La Union. Pero, if you happen to have naman take-outs like us, meron kami take-out from the lunch kanina, meron din sila dito ang microwave. So, yan. Meron din sila, ito guys, syempre, kapag nasa beach side ka, marami kayong mga basang damit. So, yan. May rack din naman sila for drying. So, yan. You segregate also your trash. Nakalagay naman dito. Well-labeled din naman yung mga gamit nila. They also have your cleaning materials. So, there. That's for the kitchen. Let's go. Let's go. So, come in, guys. Sa kanilang room, you have here. At ang maganda, guys, very neat, very clean yung room nila. At ang pinakamaganda doon, during our check-in at 2 PM, bukas na ang aircon. So yun, as an Airbnb owner, malaking bagay pala yun, no, na pag winelcome ka sa house mo, sa home mo, is malamig na. So it's a plus. So yan, you have here then a working table na very simple. So yan, you have a chair here where you can do, lalo na si Jello na nagdala ng laptop, na sana wag niya naman mag-aral during the stay. So yan, pwede siyang mag-work dito or we can do our makeup here. On this side naman, they also have a very simple lang na rack where you can hang your clothes. So yan, meron din naman silang mga hangers. So ang cute, no? Parang konti lang yung interior ng space, pero very functional. Very functional. Here, I think this is the bathroom. So yeah, alright. So you have here naman a very tiny but clean na bathroom. May heater naman siya guys. Tapos, meron din namang bidet. So, okay naman siya. So, ayan. Let's check on the other room. Next naman. So in the next room, they have 2 big rooms, guys. I told them na we'll be needing beds for 5. So here you have, yun nga lang, 4 lang kami kasi si Angel din na nakasama. So, ayan. Meron tayong mga double beds na nakaset up. So, both of the rooms, meron silang bathroom. So, let's check. Yeah, it's the same. Very functional. Tapos, meron din namang heater. Okay. We're here at How Are You in La Union. So, along siya sa road ng MacArthur here in La Union na malapit sa San Juan. It's just 8 minutes away. Tapos may mga madadaanan din kayong convenience stores. At ang plus dito is pet-friendly sila. So, go check out their Instagram account. You can check in through their personal website. Doon kasi may discount sila. Or you can book them through Airbnb. So, kami ang pinili namin yung sa discounted 10% sa website nila. Pero, you have to secure lang a 3,500 security deposit para kung may mga madudumihan kayo na sheets or may sisira kayong furniture nila, you have lang security deposit for the owners. Tapos yun, free naman din yung sa pet cleaning. Pero babawasan sa security deposit kung may madudumihan, may masisira. Pero yung what I love is pet-friendly sila, very spacious and very clean at ang bango ng kanilang place. So yun guys, go check out their Airbnb kung hindi nyo naman gustong mag-security deposit and all pa. So yun, we got this Airbnb or their place, How Are You, at 7,600. So yun, if in Airbnb naman mga 8,500 siya. Good for 4 with pet. So yun, hope you like the video for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media accounts at Gabo Joyce on Instagram and JYon TikTok. So yan, enjoy nyo naman ang mga next namin gagawin dito sa La Union. See you on the next one. Bye!